Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can open a Fiverr seller account. In order to do so, we're going to head over to fiverr.com, that's Fiverr with two R's, /start_selling. And once you're here, then you should see this screen and you'll see a nice big green button here that says become a seller. And let's just take a look here at the homepage real quick. You can join our growing freelance community with Fiverr. If you're a designer, a developer, a writer, a video editor, a musician, a voiceover artist, a social media marketer, you can become a seller on Fiverr. How does it work? You can sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to our global audience. Deliver great work and get notified when you get an order, and use our system to discuss details with customers. Get paid on time. Every time payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it clears. On-demand professional courses led by the world's leading experts. Discover what it takes to be a top-notch seller on Fiverr with this complimentary Learn from Fiverr course. You can see here different stories. We got a Q&A down here, and we can go ahead and sign up and create your first gig today by clicking Get Started. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google, but you can sign up however you wish. And we'll just go ahead and click Become a Seller once we're logged in. And are you ready to start selling on Fiverr? Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your gig. Go ahead and click Continue on that. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? Your first impression matters. Create a profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr. Take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want it to be. Add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. Accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more work. Put a face to your name. Upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face. And they're also going to ask you to verify your ID. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Now let's talk about things you want to steer clear of. Don't provide any misleading or inaccurate information. Don't solicit other community members for work on Fiverr. Don't open duplicate accounts. Remember, you can always create more gigs. Requesting to take communication and payment outside of Fiverr. So those are things that you want to avoid. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we can enter in our personal information and we can go ahead and click continue. It's going to ask for different your skills, what it is that you're looking to put on Fiverr as far as your gigs go. You can answer all of that information, and you can see here we can add a variety of you can add your personal website, you can add certification, etc., etc. Go ahead and hit continue on that. You can add your phone number, your email. Go ahead and hit continue on that, and you can see now that you're ready to start selling on Fiverr. Kickstart your business with a $20 one-time payment for a 3-month program. So you can click join if you want, or we can go ahead and create a gig. And then from here, we can add our gig title. We can add the category. We can add search tags. And once we're done with that, then we can go ahead and click save and continue. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave it from there. You can see how it is that you can get started with Fiverr and what it is that it's going to ask you. Then from there, you are going to just go through the steps in order to set up your gig and start selling on Fiverr. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.